Hey folks, Mr. and Mrs. McStache. We're in front of the Acuity
We're gonna call it that.
Insurance Company.
Yep.
So they got the world's largest flagpole and freestanding flag all in one spot. And well, it kind of makes sense that you would have the world's largest freestanding flag on, yeah, whatever. Anyhow, we're going to take you and we're going to show you.
And it's a Veterans Memorial.
Yes, it's set up as a Veterans Memorial.
Oh, you didn't know? Like, take off, you hosers. We don't have any of that. So that's why we're coming.
Well,
Maybe.
hey folks, Mr. and Mrs. McStache, huh?
I said
What?
maybe.
Maybe. Welcome to Sheboygan.
Sheboygan.
Sheboygan. I don't know what it's famous for. Well, it's the, what is it? The Malibu of the Midwest.
It's the Malibu of the Midwest. It's the bratwurst capital of the world.
Worse, yeah.
And it's the freshwater surf capital of the world.
So I
You
didn't know there was this freshwater surfing, but I guess it's here is where you want to be with it. It's also the home of that thing right there. 70 feet by 140 feet. Is that what it was?
I think that's right.
World's largest flagpole, folks. Welcome to it. We are bringing you here so you can see the world's largest flagpole. What are you doing?
I'm looking. You are correct.
Yeah.
70 by 150
70
feet.
foot by 140 feet.
And get this. It's at an insurance company. Figure they could afford to have the world's largest.
Not
But you
just,
have to look at the facility.
not just. Check out that building. This is the slumlord side, I would say. 'Cause
Yeah.
the other side is much better. Now this parking garage is matched by the parking garage. Looks just like it on the other side. And I think this is the low level.
And there's another one over there.
Another what?
Parking garage.
Oh yeah. So there's parking garages everywhere. So all right, we're gonna walk around and take some pictures and show you some of this crazy stuff. Hopefully we'll get up close to the flagpole, but I don't know. It's a long walk. We've already walked for
At least 5 minutes.
5 minutes. I don't know. With my knee, it seemed like it might have been a little bit longer than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. So there you go, folks, from Sheboygan.
Sheboygan.
It's just fun to say boing, boing, Sheboygan, boing. That may be a bad thing. Maybe we should. Sheboygan. There is the world's largest flagpole, free flying flag, all that stuff. So we want to say thanks to our Patreon members who help support our local veterans. For as little as $1 a month, you can join them and be a hero like these guys here. Ooh, October 23rd, there is a career fair.
You can learn how to be an insurance agent
Yeah.
and maybe make the money that these people make.
Right?
Because they're obviously making a lot of money.
Just say I live in Sheboygan.
Yeah.
All right, folks. We want to get out of here, but we want to say love on your family.
Check on a buddy.
And when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
There you go, folks, from Sheboygan. That's just fun to say.
Yeah, Sheboygan.
Sheboygan.
Wisconsin.
Sheboygan. Boing, boing. Wisconsin.